Audio Jungle.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back on my channel, Crypto Victoria. So, guys, is happy New Year's to all of crypto viewers, my audience, and Titan community team members, our CEO. So, this is New Year, new vibes, and starting 2026 with gratitude and hope. So, goodbye 2025, and welcome to 2026. Happy viewers, every audience, and Titan community. Wishing you a good health, joy, and success in the coming year, and this year filled with positivity, also good vibes to all. So, I hope you are doing very well. Here is another exciting review for my audience, guys, and you have to stay connected with me. I have to say that if you are new on my channel, Crypto Victoria, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further upcoming videos notification. As you know that Victoria always come with an amazing and new platform in the world of cryptocurrency. So, guys, here I have to say welcome to all of the Titan community members. This is our Telegram official community, guys, where you have to join and where you have to follow and you have to invite your family and friends right here now. And I have to say something more that I am not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment. Crypto is totally risky. You have to take your own risk, guys. So, here I will tell you about Titan, and this is good news for the travelers who loves to travel. And here I will give you all of our review about our socials like Twitter, Telegram, about our Titan and how you can buy. Also here I will explain. So guys, stay connected with me still last of the video. Firstly, here you can see that we are on the guys Solana blockchain. This is our official contract address. You have to copy this when you are buying, and now we will go deep in our roadmap white paper. And this is the discover the world with a new token, and this basically a meme cryptocurrency that is for the travelers, and we are built on Solana network, guys. And I have to say, welcome to the world of Titan, that is innovative cryptocurrency. And it combines both passion for traveling and also with the possibilities of blockchain technology. You have to join our Titan community for further bright futures. And why we have to, what is Titan? Basically, this is created to revolutionize our travel industry, and we want to make traveling even easier, very cheaper, and also more accessible to our community. And this is not a just cryptocurrency, this is the community for the love to discover the world. And why we have to choose the Solana? Because it's totally safe and it's very fast speed and totally transparent. That's why we choose Solana. And here why you have to choose Titan here, because there are a lot of benefits for everyone. And so this is the, you have to receive your hotels, flights, booking tours you can book by this. And also very exclusive offers, too much discounts here. And you can join our community, you can travel with our community. And most important thing that a payment method is very easy and very reachable, and you can also increase your competitive. And guys, you can also join our all of the communities, I tell you about our Telegram community. And then guys, you have to go on our Twitter official account where you have to like, follow, comment, and where we are strength in numbers, stability in crypto, and official token of the Titan group. This one here you have to get all of the our further news announcement about Titan here. And guys, how you have to buy? You have to simply create a wallet like Phantom wallet, in which you have to go on your Google Chrome, you have to download your extension, then get some Sol here. We are basically on Solana blockchain, and you have to just go on Jupiter, correct your wallet, and copy then our official contract address. Then you can easily buy, and you can also swap Titan, and there is zero taxes. You can easily buy. So here is give a look at our roadmap, and our total supply, our liquidity. You can check our fees, and this is about our roadmap, guys. before and going to any of the platform, you have to mostly read and check out of the platform of the project. And now guys, I want to show you our white papers. This is the official documents of Titan token, and where you can go and check out our tokenomics about our platform. If you have any question and query, so you have to download this, you have to read, and you have to clear all of our questions to answers here. And you can also connect with our team. You can go and you can you have any questions, you can connect with me and also with our team members, our CEO. It's on to you. And now you can also read about our history and basically where we from originated and each and everything. Guys, I am officially saying that stay connected with me and you have to invite your friends and family. I am again saying that I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment. I'm not responsible for your any profit or loss. So see you next video. Happy New Year.